Want to start a home business? Give this a try. Whether you are considering a home business as a means of supplementing your existing income or as a sole means of providing for yourself and your family, you are on the brink of an exciting new venture. With the information found in these useful tips and tricks, you can get off to a good start as you begin to develop ideas for your new business. To make sure you aren't paying more than necessary for your car insurance, be sure to ask about discounts. For example, some drivers might be eligible for reduced rates for passing a defensive driving test. Students can sometimes get discounts for good grades, and seniors who drive less can also get reduced premiums. Running your home-based business is a challenge. It is important to reward yourself so you will stay motivated. For instance, for every work-related task that you complete from your list, you could reward yourself with 15 minutes of non-work activities. This will help to keep you focused and motivated. Seek out experts in your field when you have questions. If you are nervous about calling them, send them an email. It's important to be able to model someone who is a success, and people who have made themselves successful are usually willing to help beginners out. This will save you years of mistakes. Get testimonials for your product. Whenever anyone says something great about your product, capture it and add it to your website. You may want to ask permission if you plan to use the person's name. Testimonials usually feel more real when they include a person's first name and last initial. An unconventional way of building exposure to your business products is giving them away as prizes in raffles. Organizations are always seeking donations for their fundraising raffles. This builds exposure to your product and gives your company a charitable name. It's a situation that cannot lose. A good home business tip is to order your own business cards. In the professional world, having a business card is not only important, it's expected. Having a clean, presentable business card can go a long way in helping your home business look more professional. You can order them cheaply if you search online. Now that you have picked up some fresh new ideas and insight, you are well on your way to becoming a successful home business owner and operator. Use this information as a starting point for a new business, or apply it to an existing project as part of a revamped home business image. Best of luck to you. Student loan.